get into it, and let's go ahead and see what this car looks like. So in the box you've got your diagram. It's pretty detailed on how the car is made and repair that. Alright. Body comes covered. And so let's go ahead and get this out of the box. Okay. So now we've got that out the box. You get these goodies with it. Tools, battery connections, so you can convert your lipos. Also, you get your Tactic TTX 300, and this one also has the diff changes on there as well. This is fully upgradable, this model. This does not have the diff brain, and you can see only 4 batteries this one takes. Again, that's the Tactic. So let's get into the truck and see what's underneath the body. So we're going to take a closer look at the Nero Arrma BLX. As you can see, that's the body. And the inside of the vehicle. Let's go ahead and get a closer look. Alright guys, so I zoomed in there so you can take a look at the shocks. These are your shocks. So you can see the body. It's an awesome body. The chassis has got some aluminum in there, and the battery tray is open from the bottom here. All you gotta do is push this button. Gotta get into it a little bit more, but again, these are your XT90s. I've already put a connector so I can put my Dean's connected lipos on there. Suspension looks pretty good out the box. I can't wait to take it out, tell you the truth. But it looks pretty simple to work on. It can look intimidating at first, but I've done some research, and a lot of guys find it pretty easy to work on. So, but also I've heard some reviews on the ends here breaking, so I'm going to be doing a run with it, and we'll see how it holds up. Again, this can go up to 60 miles an hour. It's 4-wheel drive. This particular model does not have the diff brake, but this can be upgraded. You can put a diff brake on each of the differentials, which this one has 3, and it's got different modes. I believe it's got a blast mode, and this is what the one without the diff brake is set at, is blast mode. But if you do upgrade them, or you get the upgraded Nero with the diff brake, you can it has some other settings like climb, drift, and wheelie. So that's something to keep in mind. I'm going to be upgrading mine down the road. But I got this one at such a good price that I couldn't pass it up, so I'll do the upgrading myself later on. Sounds like a good project to be involved with right now, especially with this type of vehicle. But again, this is the Nero. (6S) BLX. So stay tuned for some more videos. I'm going to take this baby out and see what she's got.
Yummy. Yummy.